Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to solve another problem from array section of GFG. So let's move on the portal and see which problem we are going to solve today. So let's move. So in this video we are going to solve peak element problem. So an element is called a peak element if its value is not smaller than the value of its adjacent element if they exist. So given an array of size n, return the index of any one of its peak elements. The generated output will be always be 1 if the index that you return is correct, otherwise output will be 0. So let's understand this by an example. So here number of element is 3 and the numbers are 1, 2 and 3. For 1, left side element is not exist and right side element is greater than 1, so it cannot be peak element. So now move on the next element 2. So left side element is smaller than 2 but right side element is not smaller than 2, so it cannot be peak element. So now let's move on the next element. So left side element for 3 is a 2, that is smaller than 3, and the right side element is not exist, so 3 is the peak element for this array. So our possible answer will be 2 because we have to return the index of the peak element. So understand this by another example 3 and 4. So for 3 we check right and left element. So left element is not exist but right element is greater than 3, so it cannot be peak element. And for 4, left element is smaller than 4 and right element is not exist, so 4 is the peak element, so we have to return the index of 4. So we possibly return 1 and our answer is 1. So now implement this approach in onto code. So here peak element is a function that receive a array and its size n as an argument, and it return integer value that is the index of the peak element. So initially if the number of element in the array is 1, so it always be a peak element, so we just return the index. And for zeroth element, left element is not exist, and if right element is less than first zeroth element, so it will be peak element, so we just return the index of the zeroth element, that is 0. So now traverse the array from 1 to n minus 1 and check for peak element. If left element of the ith element is less than ith element and right element is also is less than the ith element, so I will be the peak element, so we return I. So if after traversing the whole array we will not find any peak element, so just return the last index of the array. So last index will be the peak element in this situation. So this is our approach to solve this problem. So let's compile and run this problem. So this approach is perfectly run in the given text case. So now submit our approach code. So this code runs successfully in all the given test cases. So this is our code to solve this problem. If you know any better approach for solving this problem, please comment below. And please support us by like, comment and share. And if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel for the further notification. Thank you.